Squirting my beautiful. It's so good.
Dude, it's like really focused. You look like an amua.
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sabrina B, and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a super bronzy Valentine's Day look. It's very wearable, or it's going to be very wearable. You can wear it any way you want. It's not too dramatic. You can just get ready and go out, and it's not going to be too hard at all. I'm going to be using the 39A palette from MORPHE. It's a huge palette that comes with literally every single color you need. Well, like deeper tones. It doesn't come with super bright colors, but it's very, 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 very useful if you do your makeup as often as I do. So let's jump into the video. All right, so I'm going to go into the two transition shades right here. I'm just going to go back and forth, and I'm going to put that into my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this like burnt, like brick brown color right here, and I'm going to kind of focus it on the outer part of my lid. I'm just going to pat it on, and then I'm going to blend it up and out. I think I'm gonna go in with like a brown. So now I'm gonna go in with this little brown shade. I'm gonna put it in the area that I put that last color, and I'm just gonna bring it. I'm just gonna put it in so I can make it look more bronzy, because it's starting to look a little burgundy. So once we add brown to it and then our lid color later on, it should all tie together. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I cleaned up under my eyes. I'm going to start with my face. I'm going to start on my face now. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild primer today. It works so good, and it's only like $5. You can buy it like at Walmart, Target, Ulta. Honestly, they bump up the price. It's probably like $6 or $7 there, if they even have Wet n Wild. I don't remember. Dude, I don't remember. But it's really, really good. I really like it. And I have a lot of little scars on my cheeks right here. And it kind of helps it after I put on my powders and my foundation. Ooh, I grabbed a lot. It's okay. And it moisturizes your skin. Like, it doesn't leave you looking like dry, or like you put like a pound of glue on or anything. Oh, I'm talking more in this one. Oh, my skin feels really good with this one. I have a brand new one. Oh, this is the brand new one. This is the old one. I love this primer. So I always find really affordable products, but once I think I'm big ballin' and I go ahead and buy all this like crazy makeup, all expensive and stuff, I forget about all my affordable stuff. So go buy that primer. It's $5. You can buy Starbucks, you can buy a primer. We're gonna go in with the Morphe foundation. This is the first time that I'm actually using it. A lot of people said really good things about it. A lot of people said really bad things about it. But we're gonna try it out today. This one is in the color F2.6 matte, obviously, because they're all matte. But yeah, I heard that a little goes a long way, and I'm like super full coverage. Like I love being full coverage, but I'm gonna grab like a little dot like this. I'm gonna just pat it around my face. It might be a little too light, but bronzer can always fix that. Alright, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe concealer, the one that launched with the foundation. I heard it's full coverage. Again, I've heard really good I've heard really good things and I've heard bad things, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for myself. Alright, so judging by my first time actually putting it on, it's super full coverage. Like, it's really good. I would say if you have the money to buy this one instead of Shape Tape, to do it. Don't go spend 30 bucks on concealer when this one's like how much? $8? $9? $8 for concealer. Maybelline has one. I think it's called like the Age Rewind for $8 or $9, and it doesn't work as good as this one does. Like at all. I don't even think it compares, honestly. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye with DERMABLEND like always. I don't believe I'm ever gonna use any other powder unless something better than this comes out. TPH. guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the LA Girl powder. I really like this powder. I feel like it's really full coverage, especially on top of this foundation. Like, you can barely see my scars. You can barely see my cousins carved into my skin when I was a little kid. Alright, cool. So now that our face is set, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line. If I find my brushes. Alright guys, so now that our eyes are completely done, I'm gonna go ahead and jump back to the face. I'm gonna bronze my face with Hoola bronzer. I tried it for the first time probably like a week ago and I really like it. I never grabbed it. I don't know for what reason. I just assumed that it wasn't gonna fit my skin tone. But I bought it like Christmas time and I had it sitting in my vanity and I never touched it up until like last week. Alright, so like always, I'm gonna grab the Anastasia contour kit with the 2 bottom shades and go ahead and kind of chisel it out as much as I can. I'm gonna use Melba by MAC to blush my cheeks up. Alright, so now I'm gonna highlight the face. I'm gonna go in with probably 2 different highlights today. The first one I'm gonna use is Soft and Gentle by MAC. I love this one. I've had it for so long. Just gonna go ahead and... Alright, for the second highlight, I'm gonna grab the Sleek Makeup. Oh, I'm blinding the camera. I'm gonna grab the Sleek Makeup palette and the 2 bottom ones. Just put it at like the highest point of my cheek. I'm gonna put on my lashes. I already have one on. I don't remember if I said it or not, but you can clear me seeing putting this bush on my eye. I love big lashes. These are from the Makeup Shack in the style Sienna. I went to go buy some Dubai lashes and they were like completely out of stock. Not at the Makeup Shack. I went to Planet Beauty at the block. If you're from Orange County. And if you call it Outlets of Orange, you're a psychopath. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this MAC lipstick in the shade Viva Glam. I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. It works really good. Ooh, that was a lot, sorry. Alright, time for the outro. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought. I really hope you guys can recreate it. It's super easy. It's very simple. You guys can wear it anywhere, not only for Valentine's Day. You can go out to the mall, take your kids somewhere if you have kids. It's a blah, blah, blah. I really like the red lip. I went ahead and I added the color Arriba from the ColourPop and the I Love Sarai collab. I think this one came out like probably 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. I bought a whole nother one when it came out because I love it so much. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for any further videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell your sisters, dogs, cousins, owner to subscribe to my channel too. We could all be a big old family over here. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to leave a comment and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.